No, it's even big enough. That's the first little fishy for the day. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are fishing for the Tackle Direct National Tournament, which runs till I think mid-August, and we're also continuing to improve our score for the Catch 22 challenge for KBF. So it's been really hot down here in South Carolina this past week and this week coming up, so we got out on the water about 5:45. We're going to put about 6 hours in and get off the water before we start baking today. So stay tuned and see what we can get to go towards the Tackle Direct and the KBF Catch 22. Stay tuned. So that first fish was about 11.5 inches. I didn't even record it. The Tackle Direct National Championship is free for everybody to join. It's freshwater and saltwater, so you guys might as well sign up and get involved in this one too. And the Catch 22 challenge, if you guys go on KBF and Fishing Chaos, you can read about what that's all about. You know, it's about awareness for veteran suicide, and the money goes towards charities to help the guys who need help and the girls. And it's a great cause for KBF. You know, Chad started that, so go check that out. Today we are starting out with the Mag Fatty in the June bug color, 5/0 hook, and an 1/8 ounce weight, bullet weight. So that's what we caught our first fish on, and we're going to continue fishing the bank with that right now. The water temperature is about 86 because it's been really hot down here. We've been having heat indexes of about 110, 115, 112. I mean, we got regular temperatures like mid-90s, and this week coming up we have days where it's going to hit the actual temperature is going to be 100. So it's going to be another hot week. The water's steaming right now because it's a little cooler air temperature, but the water's really warm. So let's see what else we can get today, guys. Pretty quiet this morning. Like I said, the water temperature is 86. So I don't know if they're staying a little deeper because it's so hot. So we may try a little deeper crankbait later today too. And we are probably going to also put on the Cinco and fish along the bank as well as the Texas rigworm. But it's a lot quieter than usual. It's been a couple weeks since I've been out here, so actually I think it's almost been 3 weeks since we actually freshwater fished. So a lot's probably changed since then, and it's been really, really hot. There we go. It's a monster. It's a monster. Oh wow! It's got to be a. It's got to be almost a 10-pounder. Oh. Come on, baby. Look at this bad boy. Look at that bad boy. It's got to be 23 inches. It's a beautiful fish, guys. Maybe 22. He's playing with me. He's only 21. Could be a little bigger. Beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful fish. What's nice after catching a monster like that is that your worm is still usable. You know, this Elastec from Z-Man is great. I mean, no damage whatsoever to that worm. Well, holding in the shade along the banks is where they're at. Almost 14 and a half, but we'll put them at 14 and a quarter. Fish number 2, 14 and a quarter. Alright, so we're going to leave that bank alone for a little bit. We're going to try fishing the shade line on a couple other banks around us. That's 3 fish on the same worm and it's still usable. So, you know, Z-Man, that Elastic definitely saves you money. I'm not sponsored by them, I'm just letting you know this is what I like to use and it works really well. So definitely as hot as it's been, they're holding in the shade. And I don't blame them because it's hot. So I guess that's going to be our pattern for today. Alright, fish on. There's a jumper. That's a nice little size. We'll take it. All right, 17 and a quarter. 9:45, we're 3 hours in. We have 3 hours left and that will be it. So far we are up to 4 fish, 3 on the board are scoreable, and hopefully we can limit out today and be towards the top of the leaderboard for the Tackle Direct National Challenge, which runs into mid-August anyway, so it's going to be a long battle. And we are currently in 2nd place on the Catch 22 board for KBF. We're not far behind there, but the guy who's in 1st place, he fishes quite a bit, so that's going to be a battle all the way to December. So we'll see how we make out with that, but we're having a good day so far. Everything we've been catching on has been on the Texas rig worm. So the crankbait is not producing at all. I tried a few more times on a couple areas where I've caught before and nothing's there. So they're definitely holding in the shade along the bank, and that's what we're going to continue to fish for the next 3 hours, and hopefully we can get another 3-4 fish today. That'd be great. There we got a fish on. It's a nice one too. Another nice one. Staying in the shade. It's got some nice length to it, which is good. That's what we need. He's hiding by a tree over there. $18 and a quarter. 18 and a quarter, we'll take it. All right, I tried moving around the lake. I'm having a problem uploading some of my fish right now, so we'll just have to wait. And the bird's screaming at me. So we'll keep fishing. It's 10:45. We got a couple hours left. We just caught that fish that was 18 and a quarter, so that's nice. And we're gonna have to wait till upload it because right now the app is either my service or the app's giving the problem right now. So we'll just save the fish on the camera roll, and we'll upload when we can before we get off the water. All right, fish on. Alright, another little fishy. Put it at 13 3/4. Alright, 13 3/4. What's going on? Not much. Got fish to shade. I've been using the Texas rig worm all day. So crankbaits don't work today that you normally do here, but just staying along the shady, just fishing by the trees and stuff with a worm. And I caught, I think my largest one's 21 inches, and then the smallest one's 11 3/4. All right, we're down to our final hour. We're really starting to bake already, so we're gonna just stick it out for the next hour. We got 5 on the board, 6 total so far today. So we got our limit. But we had something there. So we're happy with that. But if we can get a couple more, that'd be great. Alright, fish on. Another nice one there, another nice one. There we go. That'll help get our score up. Whoop. Rod in the water. Definitely want that back. Yeah, nice one. It's like about 17 and a half. Almost touching the 17 3/4, but 17 and a half. I'm not gonna try to get another picture with that one. I want to beat her up. Got plenty of time, and it's not a monthly challenge, so for 1/4 of an inch, we'll let her go. So to recap for today, I caught 7 fish. My 5 longest fish came out to 88 1/4 inches. That puts me in 8th place for the Tackle Direct Challenge, and I'm still in 2nd place for the Catch 22 Challenge for KBF. In 2 weeks, we will be starting our July monthly challenge for KBF, continuing our Tackle Direct Challenge and our Catch 22 Challenge. So we have a lot of work ahead of us. Also next month in July, we'll be hitting the iCast show down in Florida, so we'll be filming that for you guys and showing some new products that you guys may be interested in. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, subscribe, drop a comment, hit that thumbs up. I appreciate all of you guys. I truly do. And until next time, I'll catch you guys on the water. Thanks for watching.